It is 4:29 and we are on breaking news. Former Speaker of the House in Illinois, Mike Madigan, once the most powerful politician in the state, indicted on federal corruption charges. A news conference is expected to start soon. Let's go to our legal analyst, Irv Miller, in our street side studio. Irv, you just got the indictment. The bottom line is?
Well, it's called the Madigan Enterprise, and that Madigan Enterprises of corrupt activities being alleged includes the office of the Speaker of the House of Representatives, the 13th Ward Democratic Organization, and his private law firm. Frankly, I think this is more expansive than most of us thought, covering the Speaker's office and his private firm, as well as the Democratic organization. It's truly a huge indictment, alleging a lot of activities, not just dealing with Commonwealth Edison.
Irv, you referenced that the scope of this was going to be very telling. So this first reaction, I mean, the web of this seems as expansive as these charges reflect.
These charges reflect a lot of work done by the government. It's hard to know at this particular time what evidence there is. I think we'll get a better sense of that once we hear that press conference that's about due, what evidence the government expects to prove in this case, and more importantly, who is going to testify against him? Are there going to be flippers? Are any of the co-defendants going to testify against him? We may get the answers to those questions in a couple minutes.
In the fall of 2020, we had a number of ComEd executives indicted. One commentator put it this way: they were working up the food chain to Madigan. Can you describe that and that strategy?
You know, that's the way it always works with the federal government. They start with the low-level people. They offer them deals. Listen, testify for us, we'll give you a deal. Then they go up to the next level, and then they know who their target is, and they're working to get to that target in basically every prosecution that occurs in the Northern District of Illinois. That's no surprise how they work this, indicting the 4 individuals, indicting Commonwealth Edison many months ago. They've been working towards this, going towards the target, and I think everybody will acknowledge that the target was Michael Madigan in this case.
Yeah.
Irv, he's obviously the former House Speaker, but can you speak to what you think any of the ripple effects will be as a case this huge plays out through the state and through state politics?
Well, it's going to be interesting to see what the evidence is. Who is involved in this? Are there any more cooperating witnesses? Are there any more targets? You know, we deal with not only the General Assembly with Michael Madigan, but we also have connections with aldermen in the city of Chicago. So you never know where this is going to go. And unfortunately for government in the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago, this is not a good day.
And we should also point out he is the former head of the Democratic Party in the state of Illinois, too. Irv, thanks so much. We'll check in with you later.